Didn't get a chance to really take a ride this week. Too busy moving trailers and running hose and power for said trailers and roof maintenance, digging trenches, more yard work, all that fun stuff. So just taking a quick little run up 236 again, just to see if anything's changed. Don't really have the time to go too far, so figured I'd see what's going on here in the neighborhood. All the most everything's open back up, but China Grade's still closed, Swanton Road's still closed. I think there's two others. 236 is still closed once you get to a certain point. I think it's still Little Basin. Maybe it's moved, not entirely sure. And I want to say there's one other road. Cannot quite remember. Still pretty well charred in the trees, of course. It's amazing how fast they moved on all the utilities and stuff. Still lots of road workers out there. People walking through their yards. Crazy, crazy. Let's head back up Jamson Creek. Still a lot of ash. A lot of cleanup to do, looks like. Doing lots of tree work around here. Didn't turn my camera on in time, but there's a truck back there cleaning up, stopping folks. It says the road's closed ahead. Not sure at what point. Don't see anything being rebuilt quite yet. Doesn't look too much different, to be honest, except a lot of trees thinned out. Busy time to be a tree guy. Getting the Escort. See what Alba Road looks like. Pretty torched. Ooh, still looks smoky out there. Somebody lost a couple sandbags. House made it. That two. Not that one. Quite a few of them didn't make it down here. Seems like we made it out of the fire zone. Alright, looks like we made it back to the main road. So I'll end this one here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.